In this key skill video about ratios in the form 1 to n or n to 1, remember any number divided by itself equals 1. Simplify these ratios into the form 1 to n. To do this is actually quite easy. For the orange question we can already write down part of the answer because it's 1 to something. Now to get from 4 to 1, any number divided by itself is 1, so 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. We're going to divide the right hand side by 4. And 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. So we've got our ratio in the form 1 to n, which is 1 to 1.25. For the green question, we'll do the same thing. As we want to simplify it to the form 1 to n, I'm going to write 1 to something. We need to get from 18 to 1. We'll do that by dividing by 18, because 18 divided by 18 equals 1. As we've divided the left side by 18, we also need to divide the right side by 18. 13 divided by 18 is 0.72222, so I'm going to write 0.72 to 2 decimal places. So our answer is 1 to 0.72. Very similar questions, simplify the ratios into the form n to 1, so this time the right hand side wants to be 1. For this 8 to 9 ratio, I'm going to write down part of the answer, which is something, to 1. Now to get from 9 to 1, we need to divide by 9. And because we've divided by 9 on the right hand side, we divide the left hand side by the same number as well, so divide by 9. And 8 divided by 9 is 0.89 to 2 decimal places, so our answer is 0.89 to 1. 7 to 5, again, I'm going to write n to 1, so a number to 1. Or to get from 5 to 1, we need to divide by 5. As 5 divided by 5 is 1. We also need to divide the left hand side by the same number, so divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 is 1.4. So our ratio will be 1.4 to 1. 6 questions for you to have a go with. Simplify the ratios into the form 1 to n for the blue questions and n to 1 in the pink questions. If you need to round to 2 decimal places, pause the video and resume when you're ready for the answers. The next video uses this skill and puts it into context. This includes questions you're more likely to see in an exam or more practical situations. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.